Hello guys, my name is Marci, and in this video I am going to show you how I made this kind of abstract and mark making and undefined piece of art, at least art to my eyes, using just coffee and a few crayons I had around and colored pencils. So maybe you want to stick around and see how I did this and make yourself your own piece of art to hang on your walls or decor your journals or whatever you like. So let's get started. I started reusing a piece of mixed media paper my kids were painting with coffee on, and they didn't like how it turned out, so I don't throw it away. I recycled it. So they were praying, like they were doing something like Brawl Stars or something like that. I have no idea. Some game their friends were talking about on a conference they did from school. But anyhow, now I'm taking this brush from my kitchen because I wanted some different kind of textures on them, and just started moving my coffee around and trying to get this texture to kind of pop out the page or kind of, be different. I decided this bowl probably was melting, this circle or whatever, and these other ones were on fire. I don't know, whatever was going through my mind, I just let it out. This is very therapeutic, and yes, I'm using my left hand and I also use my right hand. I find that for more detail and writing, I'm right-handed, but for other stuff like kicking the ball or drawing messy lines and doing something more spontaneous, I use my left. Go figure, right? What a weirdo, but that's just the way I am. So anyhow, now I'm taking this crayons. I'm gonna link them down below too. They're just what I had, and I'm making some little marks to give it contrast and have it pop. And on the other side, I'm doing it with the white crayon just to have some, different colors and contrasts that make it more interesting. And I don't know about you, but if I put something on the opposite side of the painting, I have to kind of make that color pop on the other side too. So I brought my white crayon over to the other side, and then I added more coffee. This is just a piece of plastic wrap from my kitchen, and I'm trying to get texture on that side using this method. I show you all these methods of like playing with coffee and stuff on some do-it-yourself pattern papers, just using coffee and some stuff from your house. If you're interested in that video, I will link it below. There's actually 2 of them, and they're very, very cool, and it will get you playing and relaxing in no time. I promise. They are fun, even for my kids to play with. They love to play with coffee. And here I just added a little bit of it wasn't shampoo but soap to my water. I made it soapy, got some bubbles going, and put them on my paper. And this is another thing that I'm showing you how to do on my other videos, so make sure you visit those. Subscribe to my channel, and if you have your art pieces, feel free to share them with me on Instagram at mixitupmarci, or send me an email. I will really love to see your work. This is how it turned out. I hope you liked it and learned something new, or just get distracted and watch my video while crafting. So have an amazing day, guys. Thank you so much for sticking around.